Today I'm going to show you how to do the yarn over stitch. It's abbreviated as YO and it is a 1 stitch increase. The yarn over will be done in two different ways. The first one I'm going to show you when it's followed by a knit stitch. So if you just did a knit stitch, the pattern calls for a yarn over and then we're going to do another knit stitch after the yarn over. You're merely going to bring your yarn forward as if to purl, and then you will continue to knit the stitch as indicated in the pattern. So you can see by bringing the yarn forward, you actually created an additional stitch on your right hand needle. So let me show you again. We just knitted the last stitch. Now we need to do a yarn over followed by a knit stitch. So we bring the yarn forward and then we continue to knit as indicated in the pattern. The same will apply if we're busy with a purl stitch. Then the pattern calls for a yarn over followed by another knit stitch. Your yarn is already in the forward position, so we do not need to do anything. We just need to continue to knit as indicated in the pattern. So you will see the yarn over was actually created because your yarn was already in the forward position. So let me show you again. We're busy with a purl stitch. Now we need to do the yarn over. The yarn is already in the forward position, so we just continue to knit as indicated in your pattern. So that is how we do a yarn over when it's followed by a knit stitch. Now I'm going to show you how it's done when it's followed by a purl stitch. We've just knitted the last stitch. Now your pattern will say yarn over, purl the next one. So we need to bring our yarn forward, but we need to create the extra stitch. So we wrap the yarn around the needle. So that's your yarn over. And then we continue to purl as indicated in the pattern. Let me show you once more. If you are busy with a knit stitch, we need to do a yarn over followed by a purl stitch. We're going to bring the yarn forward, wrap it around the needle once, and then we will continue to purl as indicated in the pattern. If you've done a purl stitch as your last one, and then it says yarn over and the following stitch is to be purled again, the yarn is already in the forward position, so we wrap it around the needle to create the stitch. So that is your yarn over, and then we continue to purl as indicated in the pattern. Show you once more. You are busy with a purl stitch. Pattern calls for a yarn over. We wrap it around the needle. So that's your yarn over. And then we continue to purl as indicated in the pattern. And that is how you do a yarn over when it's followed by a purl stitch.